So this tutorial is about using our online Bible readings. So today I'm starting on our main website page, which is lhcc.info. As you can see, this is the main page where you can check out the weekly bulletin, you can post a prayer request on the prayer wall, you can listen to past sermons, check out the events going on the calendar. But for today, because we're doing our online Bible reading video, we're going to click on the Bible tab, which will take us to the next page, which is all of the different online Bible readings that we have done over the past years. So the first thing we see here is this blue register button, and that's what we're going to go through today. Underneath that are all the different readings by book and the date and the chapter that we did. They go far down. And then over to the right, you'll see recent comments. The comments are what creates this to be more of an online Bible study and opposed to just us all reading at home. And so we want to be able to join that online Bible study by being able to leave our own comments. So we need to register to do that. And so we can do that by clicking the blue register button, or you have a second chance to do it within a Bible reading. So if I click on a Bible reading, let's say I start here at Revelation 7 and I click on that, it's going to take me to the page for that particular reading, Revelation 7, and the date that we did it. You get a little excerpt of the reading here, and it says continue reading. If we click on that, it takes us to the full chapter where you can scroll through and read. And then just using your back button brings you right back to that page. So now we're back at that page. And if you scroll down below, you can see all the past comments that people have left, all different lengths and things. And so we would encourage you to just leave whatever you thought. Maybe it's your thoughts on the chapter. Maybe it's a prayer you have, after reading that chapter. Maybe it's a question that you want to put out there to everybody for somebody to answer for you. So we want to create that kind of interactive experience. So if you were already registered, you would just have to click here, log in, and be able to leave that comment. But because we're not, for all intents and purposes for today, we are going to choose not registered, click here. It's going to take us to a screen that would look identical to had we chose the main blue register button on the other page. So it takes us here. Here's the registration page. For today, we're just going to be test, example. You need to create a username that you'll use when you log in. So that's going to be test. And then you would leave your email here. And then you need to create a password, something that you would remember. For each time you log in. And then if you aren't good about remembering it, you can have those credentials sent to you via email right there. But if not, you just click register. And what you'll see is it takes a second, but then account test has been successfully created. So now when we go back to Revelation 7, we can click here to log in because now we are successfully registered. So it'll take us to this login screen, which we said we were test. And we're going to put in that password that we created. To keep spam out of our website, we want to just say that we are not a robot. And here's another option if you choose to remember me based on what computer you're using. You wouldn't have to log in each time, so that's an option there. And then you just choose to log in. This will redirect us exactly to where we left, which was Revelation 7. So we can scroll down to the next available, leave a reply. And so we can put a comment in. Let's just say test comment. And what you'll notice here is when you choose to post your comment after you've typed whatever you'd like to say, you choose post comment, and you'll notice that when we choose that comment, it will say awaiting moderation. All of our comments are approved by pastor, just in an effort to make sure that everything that goes up on the website is from church family members and is appropriate. He does that daily, so you'll notice that that will happen almost immediately, and then your comment will be posted amongst all the other ones. So from here, you could be done for the day, or you have the option to go to yesterday's reading or jump ahead to the next day's reading, if you're not on the current day. So just for example, let me click on Revelations 8. It will just jump us to same page, looks exactly the same as Revelation 7, except it's 8. The excerpt is a little bit different, but we can, again, here choose to go to that chapter and read, and then go back. And then once we've read it, we can scroll down, and amongst all the other comments, we can leave our comment. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you are encouraged to join in on our Bible readings. Leave your own comments, your own questions, and really help create this online Bible study feel that we hope everyone is enjoying.